What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy ONDO, the ONDO Finance Token on Coinbase. For the first step, we need to log into our account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. And after that, we will select the buy and sell option on the right top corner. Click on it, and now the purchasing overview will be opened. The first option they will give us is a purchasing frequency. For now, I will leave it on a one-time purchase, but if you would like to buy the coins on a regularly basis, then select it and select the purchasing frequency which suits to you. After that, fill in the amount of cash you would like to use for this buy, and let's say 100 euros. Now select the coin we would like to buy, and that is the coin ONDO. As you can see, there it is. Select it. And now you have selected the ONDO Finance Token. For the next step, you need to select our payment method. As you can see, I'm using my MasterCard, but if you would like to use a different payment method or you would like to add one, click on it and this list will be opened. If you don't have any available payment methods, make sure your Coinbase account is verified. And after that, you can click on the Add Payment Method button below. Once you have added the payment method, then you can go back and click on Review Order to see some more information about the purchase we are going to make. Now, I'm spending 100 euros in total. As you can see, I don't pay any Coinbase fee, and that is because I'm using a Coinbase One subscription. This can save you a lot of money on the Coinbase fees because it is getting very expensive if you buy a lot of crypto daily. After that, you can also select the Invest Weekly option, and then this 100 euros will be spent every week on this coin. You can cancel it at any time, so don't worry. And after that, you can click on Buy Now to add those ONDO tokens to your Coinbase account. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!